Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lootbot token. Ticker symbol is LOOT. Now this token just got listed recently on a central exchange, big listing here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Lootbot token. So Lootbot is a Telegram bot that automates on-chain interactions for hundreds of chains. So this token just got listed July 24th on a pretty big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Loot, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So July 24th it got listed. That was about a week or two ago, so fairly new listing here. It says, with Lootbot, you can securely and effortlessly discover, participate in, and track your airdrop farming journey across various all upcoming chains and protocols, all from the convenience of your Telegram app. Lootbot takes less than a minute to set up and completely automates your farming based on presets or customized patterns users can choose from. Now, they have an ether scan. It says there is a max total supply of 10 million loot tokens. Market price right now is about 33 cents per token. It's actually down 11% today. This token's not doing very well today. Fully diluted market cap is $3.2 million, and circulating supply market cap is about $2.2 million. And there's 18 decimal places on this token. Now, you can find their Twitter at lootbot_XYZ. They have 12,900 Twitter followers, doing pretty well. Your airdrop automated assistant, #1 Telegram bot for on-chain automation, looting on 15+ chains. And you can also find their Telegram at lootbot_lootbot. And their Telegram, it says, yeah, pretty much the same thing there. And you can check that out on Telegram. Join the group there if you have any questions. That's a good place to ask questions. Lootbot.xyz is their webpage. It says, hello human, are you ready to loot? So Lootbot's a Telegram bot that automates on-chain interactions and acts as a streamlined front end for hundreds of chains. Anyone can create or follow automated tasks that could help with the objectives such as airdrop farming. So what Lootbot does, it says your airdrop automated by Lootbot. Lootbot performs a wide range of automated tasks across different protocols on supported chains. And then it has the lists of supported chains on there, like ZK-Sync, etc. There's a bunch. Polygon. It says you can bridge with Seller, Era, Orbiter. You can swap with Sync, Swap, Mute, or Azumi. NFT minting with Element, NFT PNAS, whatever that is. Staking with Zinc Swap, Velo Core. Lending with AirLend and Reactor Fusion. And then there's others with Maze, Tavera, Goal3, etc. So our solutions, a Lootbot features, it says, make your airdrop farming a breeze. Our automated bot operates on various chains to pick out the most advantageous airdrop opportunities while simultaneously implementing robust security measures to safeguard our users against hackers and fraudulent activities. It's got automated airdrop farming, which generates wallets and automatically farms airdrops across multiple EVM-compatible chains. It's got airdrop tracking. Track your airdrop farming progress with data of airdrop participation history, rewards earned in upcoming airdrops. And then anti-Sybil detection. Sybil detection, free airdrop farming through offering different curated routes that represent real on-chain interactions. So they show you kind of like what the app interface looks like, and it looks pretty cool actually. It says, built by looters for looters. Looting at your preference. With customizable features, you can now farm airdrops through preferred protocols at your own schedule. Integration with top protocols on different chains, customizable farming routes and schedule. So loot on the go, the loot trading integration. Forget about all the hassle while interacting with decentralized exchanges on mobile devices. Now you can trade the loot tokens right on Lootbox. Direct trading through Telegram, instant order placement, optimized trading fees. Simple pricing, great value. Let Lootbot do the hassle work for you. And so you can get the free version, or you can get the serious looter version, which is $30 a month. And of course, the serious looter version has way more features like unlimited farming volume compared to limited, advanced analytics compared to basic, 24-hour support in case compared to limited support, all that type of stuff. So it says holding 1,000 loot tokens will get you 50% off of each farming wallet. So they got different incentives too for amounts of loot that you hold, things like that. So how the loot token is split up here, 5% goes to team and founders, 5% goes to central exchange listings like Coinex Global, 40% goes to liquidity, and 50% seed sale. So you can use the token for farming, earning, all sorts of different stuff. All the stuff I already mentioned as well. Different news articles are on their webpage. There's frequently asked questions. There's a roadmap, very lengthy roadmap as well. You know, starting with MVP release, fundraising, R&D, a loot launch with full utilities. That's kind of where we're at right now. And then there's much more stuff that follows here. Adding chains, premium features, airdrop tracking, dashboard, referral program, ambassador program, adding new chains every couple of weeks, advanced automating tasks, more referral programs, customizable options, portfolio management, integrate more chains and protocols, desktop partnerships, and it just goes from there, just adding more and more features. So check this all out at lootbot.xyz, and you can find this token newly listed on Coinex Global. So check out that Coinex Global referral code down there if you guys don't have a Coinex account. And make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.